Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and you are watching Reliable Roots, and today's video is a collaboration with April over at The Simple Rugged Path and Heidi from Boy Boss Mama. Today we are putting together some busy bags and some folders. We are swapping them with other channels, so be sure to check the playlist in the description box below. Ironically enough, I got to draw April's name and she drew my name, and I'm so thrilled about that because our channels actually have a whole lot in common. She is very much into homesteading and gardening and homeschooling, as am I. So for her busy bag, I'm putting together a kind of nature kit. This is for her school-age boy, and the first thing that I'm starting out with is just a bunch of sticks, and I had to send her a separate video just to make sure that she understood that I'm not just sending her a bunch of random sticks. I am putting sandpaper with these, and the idea is that you can sand down the sticks, and that will be quite a bit of entertainment for them if you're ever in a car trip or sitting at the doctor's office or something along those lines. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking this Y-shaped stick and I'm making a loom out of it. I'm just going to wrap around some black yarn, and that will kind of be the basis of my loom, and then I'm taking some rainbow colored yarn and I'm just going to go ahead and start to weave this through just to kind of show her son exactly what we're trying to do with that. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is taking all of these tiny river rocks, and I'm going to be putting some alphabet letters. I can talk really. I'm going to be putting letters of the alphabet on it with a Sharpie pen. I am making sure not to get this on me because last time I got an oil-based Sharpie pen on me, it stained like a tattoo forever. It's still on my hand. So anyway, I'm going through, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to Mod Podge them just to make sure that it stays on there. And with this, I'm going to add these letters in with some craft sticks so that he can work on some different sight words and CBC words. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm going to be just using all of my scrap felt, and I'm going to be cutting out different shapes, and the idea of this is that I'm going to have different shapes that he can create different types of bugs with. So mostly circles, and then I'm going to do some half circles, and then I'll include some googly eyes so that he can make different types of caterpillars or bugs. I'll also make some like small legs and large legs that he can also create, and then I'm going to roll that up into a big sheet of felt, and so he can just unroll that. The great thing about felt is that it sticks to each other, so this is something easy that he can take with him in the car, again, sitting at doctor's offices or any place that you would just want one of those busy bag places to entertain your kids with. This is one of those easy things that doesn't cost very much, and I think would be a lot of fun for anybody. And that about wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below, as well as Heidi over at Boy Boss Mama, and of course April over at The Simple Rugged Path. I hope this was inspiring to you. I also have another video of toddler busy bags. Be sure to check the cards at the end of this video if you'd like to see that as well. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!